In lesson 5.3, we continue to simplify radicals, but we do so in a situation where we want to be able to then, as a result, combine those radicals. And so what we want to do is take what we learned in lesson 5.2 and apply it to try to take these three different radicals like we have in this first example and combine them as one radical if possible. So we're going to do the same thing that we had done previously, and that is we see that we have square roots in this example. Therefore, we need to find the largest perfect square that divides evenly into each square root. So you see I've listed the first four perfect squares, and so when we're breaking apart radical 8 or square root 8, we know that the largest perfect square that divides evenly into it is 4. So I can think of the square root of 8 as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2, because 4 goes into 8 2 times, with our 3 out in front. Then we look at our next radical, and our next radical is square root of 18. Well, the largest perfect square that divides evenly into 18 is 9. So I can break apart square root of 18 into square root of 9 times square root of 2, because again, 9 times 2 is 18. And we leave that 2